See? Nude suru, nude bubo bungo. Oga vinha nossa, obrigado. Oh we are young, oh we are else. Also, oh we are young. Who may say? Who may young also? Who may say? Who may young? Amarwa owe. Yapaki. I don't want to move them. Share this video. I don't want you. I'll do my hair up, please. I see you. No atoradia. Na kwa dia kada. No time to check time. Bezanzan Enjoyment Master. Arizona AZ. I must give you. Congratulations. Oh, big man, man. Come on, you room, boom, oh, boom, oh, boom, oh, boss, you lay me on, baby. I'm not born on top. No, Belia. Okay? Come on, take this to the month. Come on, take this. Stop. Charity, the Garera, the do. Yes. Share the video, guys. Let's enjoy this beautiful evening. We will talk. Yes, my lovely people. I greet you all with better sour at all right there. As you all know, this is Frank Vito, the Omen, one of the universe, the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media Otutu, no matter why, the social media anyone, the social media Akobisi, the social media Omozo, the social media Alaloe, The social media will not be color. The social media one presenter. Maintenant, wait till the young, the flanger master on of Roman. The social media or Daphne the day one of Shaga Nation. The Odaluhe one of Shaga Nation. The husband to all single mothers. Oh God. The helper of all condemned peoples. Oh God. The total repairer one of Italy. Oh God, I don't mind drink. I want you. No. My lovely people, I agree to now, but that's not what I told. You see this old saga with the grand so and a very sweet one because it go long. As far as I get this saga. More I get this saga. This saga a mighty one because why? Now what not going to produce? Now other presenters go to the analyze. If I say the saga end, then you go end. So you all go sit down. They follow this program. So that you're not going to miss any episode of this saga. Now, me go end this saga. I believe so nobody go fit end the saga. Because this is one of my story. I remember one time I said, my go sit down for life, you talk what you don't know. I came out categorically and said, Mama, go. Now, me go talk my story. Now, what now you know, now you go know about me. You not my pa, you not my mama, you not my sister. We never related in any how and any way. Now social media for see you, not for leave you. Now what can I tell you for social media? You go know and you go know. Basta. So with this point of view, now I'm going to talk my story. I'm going to narrate all the story from the beginning to the end, and I'm going to use and back up and with evidence. I'm going to back the story up with evidence. Ta 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 ta. I see the horse. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? I don't mind doing my beer. Let me see you sharing the video. Because I'm about to explode on that audio. It's going to be a sweet, able, and lovely Xmas. Happy Xmas in advance. For all my lovely fans all over the world. Why sure why? Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. My story. Now what do you mean people go see you still learn? Work day now, see my wife now. My wife day now. They always get work every day. Yeah? My wife day here 247 no. You go back. My prick don't they pay me. My wife day here 247. I must be active. You boy you see me the real doing the house that I get work. You know the system my wife they cook. I go living. I be mad that go here and I live and I could go here. Wonderful. God. Me I tell for the life video. You lauga. Yeah, bear as is I boy I go there. I go tana. The people here low. And it's to Lord ya gbele gbe an wo my comment. Ran ke kwa ibo kwa well. Imu no ye ni po oh God. Ya yak Maria we ya de le fi boto re. Oh God. Mi awre gbe adi agbon. Ile fi boto re agbon mi akisi re. Mo ya mu yo. Imala le fi boto ile di pore. Is no things involved. If you find you the larry. If you like go let go worry. But to be more go or dia go dey man le fi boto le di pore. Napoli. Very important. Oh, I told you. I share video now. Aqua, I to Yamagon. Abuyo in Ami Wagmon. Abuyo is the title. Madame Iba or Yamigo. A day. My ania or senior me Macuvia, Divinia or Quaker, or Billy Chipatico. Once no matter go where Abeyuwa will understand about me is that I'm a very different person entirely from what you think that I am. I'm a very different person entirely. Every time I tell you that I always joke, you know. I'm a very different person entirely, with a different mindset, with a different mentality from what you think. Even when I get moving like Jesus Christ, me I just feel like shit. That's what about me. I they look like waiting like shit. I know the saint. That is the for you. Secondly, I don't get anything for this life I want to lose. No be picky, no be nothing for this life I want to lose. Where I go say, where you go hold, so they say, you don't hold this one for me. Me will come down, that guy they play. Just they play. But they're not bossy. If I didn't not bossy. You understand? God. If you know when I don't give my life to devil, you for know who the reason what I gave. Or very Mary that ministry. Also, you know the pastor, church pastor. All the people that pay give me my money back. Why? Now I make heaven. I don't want to make heaven. Give me my money back. Now, let me start playing record. If I'm in the room, boom, or boom, or boom, or boom, this record where they play so, I want to play from down. For me, I go the up too long. I want to, so that's why someone that they follow the program. So that I'm going to enjoy the program, I'm going to understand the program very well. And I'm going to know who be this Abeyuwa. And this is useless family. You understand? Why can you do? Why can you do? If I know a matter of young, if I need your hair, no, Abeyuwa last born. In mama last born. Me and show now. Abeyuwa mama last born. As about what do? What share video now? Men will not go. Griga. He will say for not bass. Now me will not back. Never sit on chin. If I'm in the room, boom or boom. Abeyuwa. Yeah. There Abeyuwa. Now, let's look the back. Abeyuwa. Very Igbo, very bodacious. They got no one in America. There. Yeah, dear man. Kada kaden. It's your okay. The gill last one Roma. Last one rock and give. Am I so it's a look party. Oh, you put your women, you're with your women. You're very. See the house. See my house. It's one of my house. That is the security post. See the compound. See the house. And I will go near you. And now we go get you. We go win. I'm not winning. I'm more. How we join? You know, they have the first door. I feel say you know. I feel say I don't do you. I feel say protect you. You see, protect the door already. All these things now you do myself, you're going to bring cheap protect to the put. Now you see, wow. Abewa is 50 something. All these things we are do, I was known with Abeyuwa. All this iron rod, everything, the maintenance of this house, me and Abeyuwa not there again. We don't live each other. The alomako of the doors and the windows, everything. Now, Abeyuwa it all. Ekwa agemawa. O where do you go? No, you be a gayabo for many years. Might be better. No, you get shower your boy. A might be no bashawo with Sadeyan. Big. At the end of the day, not to achieve. What are you? First of all, Owani, I don't know what Bego talk. Is too low. Two, imagine care. You will definitely once you go out, now you go do your house for your taste. A road navia you don't need around for the 3 flats. It's too local. Put the latest rod. What do they use now? And they are more cheap particular. Now care. Now they say no boom. Alpha. God pour the fish POP. Make the fish POP for the full flat. All of them bend. They bend. No, okay. You give me estimate for the POP. The estimated POP, man. This is the way you go in. Here you have POP the full flats. The 3 flats. The next thing, come up with adjacent, bros. I can't say the POP in there. This is what one. Let's do the fencing, then you grade the road. Go put gates. So that nobody will feel enter the compound again. No problem. And I send them 1 million. No, you have to fencing. I'm my yet now. Emma, why now? When me and Abia, this Abia you say, no be a Abia Oswald. You are going to be what you was. When I be what you say, a shower here. You're not jealous, you give you say. We are getting who. Wow, done it all. Abia you said me now. Okbera toast Lagos, the do. Okbera not transfer you go your account away. No, what you not the account now. At the end of the day, how do you know from where? You to see Ogbeni politician no. Are we in the UK, in the Canada? You know me, you know block in Canada. I'll be when I have Canada visa to go to Canada. No, are you okay? When I catch him, he not come to Canada. They give her the visa. Canada, or Mayo. Then, adherence, I think you go, no, but I here go na money, Abeyuwa. Here Abeyuwa on a chart. Adherence na we have visa in America. Ni aya do ya stay Abeyuwa wa. God, in my own I just need to keep my wells. And we have a visa to America. Now maybe I bought that for the visa when you go take come America. But the only thing he wants Abeyuwa to do for her is to accommodate her in a house. Then Abeyuwa reply. While you stay you team way back but Ugare to one way. This time around, Mami Yegu. Iye go mwene. Otion. Now, a picture, a big star, all the walk, which is a profile picture of WhatsApp. Okay? Very mege, Ima love Abeyuwa. I will not lie. Ima love Abeyuwa. You understand? I've spoken to Abeyuwa times that number. Abeyuwa, I love you. I want to marry with your attitude. Onto qualities, I did not count around. You go cost me, go to your butt, you go insult me the way you like, you go cut call. If I feel like I go block him, you go define who go help and come back. That was how the relationship was going, bass. Fine. Abeyuwa have the heart of giving. But if he give you money, that's why I say your full generation, they go narrate you. That's one of the bad character where Abeyuwa gets. So, at the manager, they go like that. Okay. Who make me the manager? Here you go. Me, I don't tolerate nonsense. If you get money in your pocket to help with you and your money, if you don't get character. Once I block these idiots, you go call me, Frankie, CIA, when get to move to the bona. See some you don't zen or we ask you go on here, we want to follow up here, but only to the yard with me. Iyego was the one teaching me all these things, giving me advice as a god mother. Ona encourage me, name lele follow up. What I follow up in what is the need? I thought the tally, Abeyuwa was not having document then. Yeah, we are been now, we are 2 years now, what about Nyarine? He was having 2 years of working permit. Ebenia can't be what oh, it's young winner, okay, Ari, oh, if you are in Nigeria, all the Nigeria must be visa by, or the visa by okay, Nigeria, or the visa or Canada, any of the country. When with that document, he took visa to Italy, in a deny. He took visa to Spain, in a deny. You understand? Now he also took visa to Malta. For him to come down to Italy to come see me. They deny. With the only visa they give her straight Canada visa. Easter, without wasting time. So Niger and Canada, the country way near America there, then go for use that paper. Take visa, take go sharp. He applied for green passport because he married Agatha man. No, Agatha, Ataga, those fake American people. Now Abeyuwa married. Make it for take get paper with his pikin. Jennifer for America there. For many years, people don't get commanded in Abeyuwa. Passport, green pass. You understand? That got a man. No, get wife. You understand? But onto contract level, onto dagbo level. They will take a bill with thousands of Agatha. On top that board level, maybe they get a bill for New Jersey there. Now I can marry the man. So, Abia, you say, here go court. Make a beg. They follow up with Abia, you say. Emil America. Ni mala de Emil America ni kwa alile. After all, eto omu he guveni do. Since you man love you in the yaw. Ni pretend de le. You make na me you. You understand? Now okay. Especially when I did Verona. Here go persuade me, beg me. Udega any you know why the only hope. This one they make money for Facebook. Oh no, where do me go in Facebook? Kama go me go. Kama rien bloqué page ouais. Kama go me go. Me canari go ouais. No, block. Nothing with me. Saga will go. Nothing with me. Nobody will hear the just now. Nothing. Until you talk. Does your goon? Good on the fall for your head. If you see your goon, you hello. Me and Abia when I goon. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry, be like full house for Abia. If you don't do evil, going to say I'm sorry, go be like full house, go be heavy. Very proud woman. Nothing that in America. When I'm not able to get free station, you don't get nothing. They will just walk, they follow scores. Scores they use a bit of money. I open a big I be able to walk on that score. They walk on those scores. You don't get anything. I be able to get a company. Then get that transport company where they're going to carry passengers when they walk. Now, calm down. Let me boss it to you guys. Truck. Come on, shut up, your man there. Which truck you they drive? Now, boss. Puma boss and Ford. American Ford. Now, actually, they drive. What is it they usually do? People think they like Benin and they do for Benin. Like Chuko's company for Benin, where they do peanut company. Where basically they get group A and group B. People wait there for night and people wait there for morning. Now the company far, when are they listening? The work that everybody do for America, that one so. The company far. So now, you now go buy bus. Volunteers, so you go to park people, they go to the company, people will not get motor to drive, go to the company. So if now 50 people you they park, they go to the company, those 50 people they're going to pay you every week once they receive. Every week, all your collective America. Then, if now 4 to 5 companies just to be like us, they see cleaning company for Europe. We get some black, we get cleaning companies where they employ people puts. So if you're going to meet all those hotels, say, I will going to clean my hotels. You understand? They'll get contracted to get contract with the hotels. So now the blacks when you want to employ by the cleaning hotel. That's okay. See how much they pay you every month. Now so I be work. Matter David, all those companies will say they carry workers, they enter bus, they go. It get the time when they close, I be work the time. Where those passengers they gather. I be work go drive bus, go there, they go enter. It go convey them, go bus stop, where everybody go discharge, go in a different way. From there, either she go house or she go the flex they go. before she got to know me. When she know me, I was like, a guy, good. You can also open your own feelings before them. Scott will be boyfriend. When it's one of the world to do the same business together. That one don't fuck up. If you don't come, you don't think give a big wobble. Now I want to provoke go Nigeria, use a bit of money to carry in wife and children, come 4 children, plus his wife. Come New Jersey. They're in New Jersey as we talk so. On his Scott. Scott the cash Abewa Mugu out there. Where Abewa are really Mugu. At the same time, Abewa is mentally deranged. Mentally, Abewa no sound. Many people don't know. Now me data and I know the kind of woman what she be. Mentally, Abewa the remagba. Joke, boy, Saga. They know, you know. Because why? I reason with him. Say reason with me. If I don't get today, I go get them tomorrow. I reason with Abeyuwa. I say Abeyuwa erere magba. Abeyuwa brother, elder brother. No we go better when I was about to sound board. Where you say na doctor was only Abeyuwa $2,270,000. During coronavirus, we Abeyuwa make. Save, keep for your hand. That one buy 10 plots for Lagos. He buy land for Lagos about 10 million naira. I got the videos for you. Now me make Abewa even see the land. Reach out to the agent who sell the land for Abewa for the estate. I got the videos. Get this one. Everything where they talk, I'm going to put proof and facts. We're up by the car. On the car. That's why I'm going to share the video when they follow this program. Gradually. Aha kwa yo to kwa yota. Yota kwa yota. Okay, no. If not like when I delete, wouldn't want to delete. Wouldn't want to save for my flash drive, I don't save her. Case of necessity. None will I delete. You guys can delete whatever you want to delete. But the most important part of it all is say, what I need to say, I have saved it. I have what? Saved it. Now, let's go straight to these are the top of the house. It was stand of the land. Now go to the document of the house, not the show. So move go Abeyuwa first. And no one can go back. Abeyuwa.
I have to attend to that. So this morning I checked that from now it was this product she got from.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Because there was a bit mix up before.
Yes, I thought it was.
We were thinking it was the previous one.
Yes. So that one they been building on it already.
Okay.
People have been building, but she did not subscribe for that product.
Okay.
But it was called Ipaja Ayobo.
Ipaja Ayobo. Ipaja Ayobo, yeah.
Yes. So she has paid for the land completely.
Completely.
Yes. So
Just the allocation.
Yes, allocation, and she's meant to pay for developmental and documentation. That one she hasn't paid for.
Okay, she hasn't paid for that.
Yes.
How much is that?
Developmental is 1.5 and documentation is 750.
750.
Yeah.
Ah. Why is it that high?
The development should. So we will remove the road and all drainage and everything. So I didn't get it, the one in scholarship, but that one is 100% trial.
Okay.
So it depends on the client choice.
I hope this one is not a swampy.
No, waterlog is different from swampy area.
Okay.
Swampy area is the one that you have to concrete before you concrete your foundation before you start building.
Okay, the 1.7 you mentioned.
she has paid for the land completely.
Completely.
Yes, so
Just the allocation.
Yes, allocation, and she's meant to pay for developmental and documentation.
This one on my own. Now, what did I play for now? So now the land where in your brother say him buy for Lagos, we are going to forget. You don't forget the land. But when Abeyuwa know me, Mama Ego brother, where they build that for me. This was how I connected Abeyuwa with Mama Ego brother. When they come to boyfriend and girlfriend. You understand? Now this guy, now the guy they told us, now they question this woman. Now these are one of the agents who sell the land for Abeyuwa brother for Lagos. Video day when they go to video the land. You know now river area. They use sand, they pursue water. You understand? Now, mind you, this guy already built my house. I can't see let this guy know say, oh yeah, Papa. This same house, this same land, so paraventure this woman want build now. As I say, now you the help go take this land now. The same you now go stand build this house. Automatically, you will now be eject. We're going to build the house wait for person. That will be another great job for you. You will not be acting as agents. I say anything they do, the video and they send it to people. You will charge your own agency fees as a guyman and to guyman. You feel me so? As a guyman to guyman, so that may you see the chop. Who they work, they do what? They chop. All these things where they do so, and I'm money they spend though. All now was far. In sister, Evera is aware. You go use as well. What the man called this in America? The Martinica. If I block them, if I open them, they cry. Go to beg. That's okay. Go to see I. Make us see pity. First, we'll listen to his sister.
But still on still. Even though you or you. Okay, recently, you understand? You know, you okay, ni mwazo to. Ina ngamiya we imara Abeyuwa yekavine. You problem here.
This audio what I hear so. I don't already do my marriage. I don't already marry my beautiful wife. I don't already marry my wife. Abeyuwa not gonna let me rest. Orati. Oga kona gumemia. Why me now, sister? What is your problem? Who were cool America? What beg of you can wait Diana me and can away what the God? Oh, we are going here ho and move beg boo. Who will not kill with the coba or not cool America. When I mean, you money you know you America no with Frank Mozo or Amwegi. When I Frank Mozo. Eh, we hear you here in America with that Italy. Now again I was sister we not get character. What let's listen. This audio go long. Because my sister call me. The same person will come from America. Yeah. Listen.
Oh, no guy number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 2, number 10. At the because but still on still. Even though you or you. Okay, recently, you understand? You know, okay, ni mwazo to. ina hamia we imara be ye Kevin ye problem here ogono ga number 2 number 3 number 4 number 5 number 2 number 10
you know
because the moon na be wa win we you understand in laho ni yo boya we e ya no ri me ya ni ye we mo mu so
this time around Abeyuwa was in coma. I go expose you finish Abeyuwa. Abeyuwa was in coma when I married my beautiful, sexy, gorgeous, pretty angels. Fucking the niggas in coma, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, nigga? This bitches was in coma. Man, what the fucking niggas house? Man, bitches was in fucking coma, nigga. The family begin to call me, nigga. What's up, nigga? You're gonna manage one beautiful angels, man. Even it's gonna be number 20, number 10, number 4, number 5. Manage her, man. Let our sister wake up from coma, man. This bitches is really dying, nigga. What did I have to do? Hey, man. I spell American English. We are talking American people now. Hello. Eda.
Domo.
Oh, yeah.
I greet you, my leader.
Kolo.
Domo.
What?
Domo la ya contribute matana. Domo ya gwa yo domo.
Go ahead.
Okay, domo. Baba la atu we black for me now. I told you atu we black for me now wa ta. La mi awa vali matana baba no we dan yo e. Domo. Wa ga bi o wana baba wa ga bi o wana o we ka bo mu me baba na go na tamata ewe a o ma koko a tanya. You understand? O ka zo sine. Unda kazo se no udomi oku no ari o keke na bi wateri egbe igbo ere uweri oku ne e ba mana do ewe egbe magile ran yes no taiban egbe magile ran because ono zu o se ne ori oku ne o keke no sia no zo oborekun you understand e ba me na egbe maka abora bi wana o ga be wa ka bo problem baba umiye go na iye go or amενosioni iyego no wetie god mother we e go forward with another people oton we go ede ona we am you we because of mi okunori go ne eno pese we bo o mighty we so o we ri dabo okunori wa we ri dabo we expect go opian na very rubbish epa ogime me go on we keep platform away. Ke platform away, nu yoko, ke kabiowa, nu ya totowe. Nu ya totowe. Okay, platform, ni yoko gwalo igbo. Oh mi o, mi social media na, no gwalo because the beg yoko roto te matana. You roto te matana.
You are very correct. Tomorrow we go to dollar wahala. From today, from this night, we go to dollar wahala.
Yeah, no one soon matana five. Ima wa tani yo, we look for the com. Abeyuwa, see, no we be maka yeah, would they believe because Yahoo platform to platform. Oh no, be twist, oh market can have poppy, near to celebrate.
All right. You are right. God bless you.
No, sit down, you know they okay.
God bless you.
Come here, okay at all.
See me will get sense. The talk. Now I hear you. Gonna be you.
We be twist. I go yap your omopa the Facebook after the betting.
God bless you.
We be twist. I'm not on social media.
Oh. God.
See, here go, Baba. I don't know, Sha. My after this like.
Now you be. You two get sense. In our almost call the platform winner. Abeyuwa born twist. Nobody celebrate her. Nobody celebrate Abeyuwa born twist. For America. Are we a get twist? Are we a get triplex? Nobody celebrate her. Instead they carry her come for Saga. Or you call it Monica? Are we a truck? I will not get twist. Abeyuwa go look if not in the left there. This woman, he like that. Who did you? Who did you about this year? Here go. No, a bad bunny when now. Or must celebrate you where you will be a twist. Do get be a twist. No, ya have no. We look what I get to organ say backbone. How evil. On what you are paid. Now see many are monitoring Italy in the New Jersey of America. How demonic This one be. Honor pay. Honor agwadi ye kevi. Okay, no more agu. Honor agwadi ye kevi. Unfortunately, honor ya more on my way, which is my top fans. Madam Sarah. Nyanga Saga mi de Narrating to Napoli. Why going to kuna demonic? This was the things she did. Area suffer who. Nyama zeri ijinya payami. Wana be you whatever buvira ragbo. Dabe was zeri. David no ga unira wa kuna be wo to ila video. A story na era ya wu. Don't in my hand. Beg. I mean go salo everything come on this media. Oh man, I tell me, man. If you know me, you will not dare me. Nigga, may I present my name informants? I don't be like all those live video presenters who don't get informal. When they are here, they walk for grants. It can. It can you know on him. Put your ear for what you can hear matter. You know what they own. Here go where platform met dinner. Here go where here we are. I'm telling you the truth. From tonight, I am going to be screaming on Dollar Wahala. That's the page I'm going to be screaming because right now, this issue is all about dollars. So we are going to be screaming live on Dollar Wahala. A page in Yawagba. So if you are watching me right now, you never follow Dollar Wahala, go follow and press the notification bell because tonight we start this night. So now then for the kickoff. You understand? The young content creator is on pending. Any on my platform, the way the rest just on pending. Every other platform is on pending. Dollar Wahala and my YouTube channel is going to be active. Straight down. I already get stuff for there. So follow that page right now. Dollar Wahala Talk Show. The page name is called Dollar Wahala Talk Show. Oh, I thought. This weekend go too sweet because I'll give them many info. Oh yeah, guess what? Very nice. Yota. Ayoto. Ayoko. Oh yeah, now, remember. I'm also gonna continue.
Yes, welcome. No problem. If you will even shoot, you know, problem. You know, you come because I block it. It may block it. The person away from you conference or not the conference they call. One conference they call over. So with the insult not moving. But they are going to conference back again to the call. One of them we sorry. Okay, with the sorry we know.
Now coming so they ask the question. Understand? I explain to her now. Only listen. My YouTube channel name is Umenwa TV. Umenwa TV. That's my YouTube channel name. The name of my YouTube channel is Umenwa TV. UMENMWAN. Then TV, space TV. That is Umenwa TV.
Only guy what sort of woman we sort of we were loving it. Now I'm online with you. You have to tender a sincere apology. You understand? Here where he must send to the apology the problem. That's why you know he apologize. He accepts. No matter even if you start away, any problem he accepts. You understand? One okay problem you go. The most here when the next more care more block more care. In a care. You understand? You care in a big here. Then she called me. And I want to call him any as no because you make you say me ga home e understand? The woman and I can't always have in a baby here. Woman, any young one was my plan is Maran.
No, share the video.
So that we are. Facebook ni avate ila na Facebook ni ya strike me so of my Facebook ni amigo ni ya strike so it may try my video na but the man anytime anybody here close to you for here is palego ma agboro over barba I just be the page I know, can I know the pay us? They may pay us today. Let us marry now. Most of them may ask us. I know, can I know a different which is not there. Which is not there. I know we have the asset to go. I know what we say. The next thing, you don't have here, you don't want to know in Yari last. I don't know problem now, you can't get it here. I get the mayor here, or the next day, Kinebu, or better, which on the 12th. In a celebrate to Kinebu. That was what she called in. She was taking away a woman a year, but that's why I saw him. Name, madam, is okay, fine. I will tell you, if I take a money cut is, I want they used to know. Yeah, you have beef here. She's so jealous, so I never even can't it. They can't also know. The woman are blocking her. I will block you, I block her with me. The next thing, the same Otino coming, so I'm calling her. Oh, you know, I'm not giving us to know. If voice recording are not going to react, let's forward the girl in a way. Or not go away. Or not get what Yanni go to call you loud. The more you talk. Okay, I probably know. Yeah, well, but in your collar, Yaki, I only care in a key. And I go relax.
No, I have to talk general.
In the rocky man, there's also a no give a jebo. It came in a sunu. May we laugh in the now, dear your way, a jebo no give me now. In a Gina, you want to put young building as a guy, man. Young building, we may not kill you. Neck came in a sun, very make gear. I bet you work up the water or Ruye. You understand? Oh, my come away. I just probably don't give up, I don't see it been a jabo. You understand? Me and a jabo, yet, jabo, yet, we want to give me a dear, do you remember? In a cool year, yak, by morning, live with you. Never do home.
Money, yo.
You need to have your piece now. What? In a cook cut off. If I win here, near with to eat jealous. You understand?
Okay.
When the boy was jealous of the gossip, if you come for your platform, in that goes it. I true live video. You understand? You need to live video, and then in a what are true in that color here. But now, you said, anything no concern about concerning here. I want to be happy. Even when you are this sad all the time. You understand? I say, even if you block you, but you on the professor, in Laniki, yeah, block you, blah, 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 yeah, go. In Agiliki, I tell you, go, maybe you're calling her, they may go with me here. Calling her in Lao, yeah, we, the man, we, yeah, the man of Sunda, yeah, we, it's something really, man, yeah, we, they forgive me, I know where. I'll tell you, we are where, the message where. I'll tell you what's in here, Guana. I'll tell you with a cool, they move on. Yeah, move on. And then I'm okay, thank God. And I go, well, what's in my block? Very that's your boy. You might block a. So I should my way to care in that case. May block a. I don't query that's air query, you know. Okay, what's new? The first record now. Even who is 22 years now, 22 years, or you even gonna.
Yes, to you.
You understand?
Yes, the set.
I've been in the street of Benin, hustling on how to take the responsibility of 5 good children in the CIA. Single-handedly, I personally dropped out of school to take care of my own siblings. You understand? Unfortunately,
Abeyuwa. It's even Mekoko, a last boy even Mekoko. He's not insulting me because of Abeyuwa. I'm not prompting any other video in New Media.
This was early this year.
He's not the one insulting me because where Abeyuwa we are like Canada. In a Imakoyo, Imasane. Because you know, I want to be the Biogotano, or the Yagbo, or the Vinarano, or the Yagbo. I do what more you see. You don't will happy if acting yet they are happy with. He try as much as possible 2 years of Ghana. Maybe we are 2 good years. A year, 2 years plus now, self. You understand? But when we have been this relationship, it's all about.
If all of a sudden they will go far, me I quickly iron one issue. Concerning the Abeyuwa issue of taking my junior one to Canada, which I refused. Why? Because while talking to him, because the video might go to this evening. About the very dark man, the video the very dark man do concerning Pogba, the footballer, when they kidnap, when his brothers kidnap. Understand? After this record, I will play the video for them. Here go the form say they create content, they go to analyze the proper video. From there, can't show me to be say. Some people there, somebody go say you want help their family. Not be they get the money, they don't give me the help their family. Now listen. Here go that you know as a godmother we got any man. If to say you do okay, then whatever is a friend can do even me myself, I'm a stupid somebody. I go use who I better pass to do go brother. Frank, you are a stupid. Frank, you are idiot. Okay, yeah, I believe you are who was so. Do a master what? Here go to a master. When I hear go that you are a useless somebody. I'm a bio. Here go be better pass. I go use and do go mother. Here go be a shago. I go use and do go mother. Here go do a shago for Saga for many years. Nothing to achieve. 2 girls will carry con one the important. Yeah, we go mother. I very frank, ma. Never my the thing yeah, I was born in here. I was born. In a yo dead be our mother, no zua. No kere webu, or tin pamaro no mula webu. Go along here, we are more tin like webu. You are a fool. That's the reason why you can't understand the man. More Abeyuwa somewhere because me I dealt with Abeyuwa for call 247. If Abeyuwa one of him, Abeyuwa the pure water do always be in den when. Always is seen in den when. Abeyuwa the beard when always zoo in den when. The whole community will know where Abeyuwa the beard when. So that kind of a woman, I have to use brain. Or many we are Canada is a 419. Now, there are things that people don't know. There are some people that want to help your family. You will be happy to see them helping your family. There are some people that want to help your family. You will run. That is Abeyuwa for you. Abeyuwa we are more like Canada. Or many we are like Canada. A 419. Oh, me chance. Oh, you have a go. A breath, I may chance here. You may go. If you men, here am a space. If they see any link, so say use your senior brother do money, they go do one. The same amount, the rate of the rest we have to pay for Naija. Again, me now I don't want me not be here or you not say brother no verse. Me me ya like webu. Especially near where Larry grows. You know, become Obieri grows. No, you are there by cuts, you are there by cuts. Yeah, I'm here, you know, you know, I'm here, but I'm here, more 20 years now. I bet who was my faith, they will do it. Yes. Those 3 boys in Warawari. Those 3 boys in Warawari. Here, me any obo. No, and the 3 of them are bloody native doctor customers. Now, when I go up, if I go, Abeyuwa share. Abeyuwa want me now. Here, my obo one day. Apart from the mercy directly. What we hear your dogabo or senior work by winner? Or when us winners dogabo? Or he say what? Because he said it to me right from time my mom like me. Until you Abeyuwa. You understand? Oh, Nakana, Maokorowa. Oh, when you got away, you go Gasagano, Iyaguna. Yes, anybody not fun to do. Oh, you went 7. The money was trying to buy me 2020. Not a small thing, it was a massive one. Apropos the Godfather that year. These 3 were just carry on. Many people don't know that meeting happened. Apropos the Godfather 2020 during coronavirus 2019 2020 carry on. I lock up. I was about to go to the Godfather. I was the person in question. The one when senior follow person go did you place? About you get senior brother with the Italy or they are out of the country. Blah 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 blah. Say yes, get blah. Hey, what if you mention him? Hey, that's what. Somebody want, but they don't kill him. They don't kill him. Tell them people confess. See what you do, so what you don't say, really say. Now say, you never hear for a brother for so long, you see no what you go hear from a person. Really? Yeah, the woman. I mean, this kind of say, I call the woman. Alpha, babe. I want to call my brother from Nigeria. So I said, I want to call my brother from Nigeria. I call my brother from Nigeria. Bro, Alpha, what's the level? I really, don't. What is my fault? It's kind of normal talk now. You say, do what's no Owe on so baga re won hin awe odogo go fada go bono na so a hin nya no to ma ngeni atme no e mata we mbra na wa ogi e gumana ma pass to stress e gumana ma pass to stress e family wa lo e they will start issue that was about dive to issue and so before 1 week the brother started to confess the brother there for France that's one car in a car. Now the key the gay. You get no. Any of you be more because Mondole school the gay. As a savior, they have to kill that person who can save the gay because the gay was without body for many years. Person who married Paroko, and 2 years document with him. Paroko buy house for Italy. He collect them back again. I said Paroko, what is Paroko? What do they call her? Mayor. Like governor for the state now. What do they call her? Not mayor. Only not mayor, they call governor for state. Governor for state. What do they call her? Mayor. For Italy. Prime Minister. Wait. Now the woman married. She. Prime Minister. Not the Prime Minister. They call her now. Person they control the city and like police. See that go ahead. Like you talk. See that go. Shishi, you don't get everything what the man do for him, he will try and back again. Person there for 3 bedrooms. Not you know. Sindako, God bless you, Becky Richard. You understand? At the end of the day, who was involved? The mother. The woman has an Italian passport. In the woman Italian passport, now mother used for coven. The mark of this will not real life. I forgot to go for that career many years ago. Now the mother they use, the woman have 3 private jets. Now they fly from Niger, they come Italy. Can they observe the picking? All the money of the woman, you go to the woman, and the man see the top. To God be the glory. The woman encounter Baba with the smile. And wanyo. Just the woman drink. This woman born two pikin from one man without knowing. Without knowing. Color is sign. Now they take carry woman. Now me break hand. Color injure my hand. See. He give me this mark. You see this black mark? Where they tie this woman put for family picture or palo. The mark confess for this same Italy. Now me run on. Now they were after my life. Not be everybody who you date for this life could be your wife. Just some people you go date, you go be a helper of them. They will also be a helper to you. That's why you see some people go date Oyibo go help them, they don't go marry the Oyibo. Some people go date Oyibo, they go marry the Oyibo. They like that. A lot of things happen. Let's leave that aspect. Now leave that woman's story because I want to me. Let me go talk my story for this abroad. When time reach, if I did narrator, I go the blogger. You can see the learn. When time reach, I go know where I'm gonna be. Last, as all of them plan against to me now, that family, every week. Don't be joking, don't play. Where are you, boy? Yo, mom, bow this man. When you find trouble, if you find me, I'll give you double. Every week, you know, small public, yeah. Don't be joking, Nana, bury up or bury. I mention the community, then bam. Many of you not gonna know. For being there. Don't leave that side. I bet you when I tell me you don't go because what you like it from Victor. The problem is now the last bony Yahoo and cost that's scatter everywhere. The last juju where they do now scatter everywhere. The one on black, the woman you see on black is Abeyuwa. The one on red is Abeyuwa. The one on pink is Abeyuwa sister. The other fat man Abeyuwa brother, uncle, brother, senior brother. That's Abeyuwa family you see there. That's Ebo family.
Okay, thank God.
You hear?
What's in my block? That's a boy. You might block it. So I should my way here. Not my block it. That's you know. Okay, once you move, the first second now. Even who is 22 years now, 22 years, or you even gonna you the son. I've been in the street of Benin, hustling on how.
Again, start there. Start there. My record also. Me I play by record. I go help my wife. Don't say no more verse. Yeah, stop. Yeah, go hang with some mom because man, go here.
It's even Mekoko. The last boy in Mekoko. He's not insulting me because of Abeyuwa. If not fronting any year with video in new media. He's not the one insulting me because where Abeyuwa we are like Canada. In a Abeyuwa, Imakoyo, Imasan. Because you I want Abeyuwa the Biokotanu or the Yagbo or the Binarano or the Yagbo. I do what you want to see. You don't be if they are peewits. He try as much as possible.
Sorry?
Possible 2 years of Ghana. Maybe we are 2 good years. A year, 2 years plus now. You understand? But when in market, we are bringing this relationship. It's all about Ogun brother, Ogun Ubewa, Uzwa, Ashawo, or a Puma Timme. Of what I remember you. Please, even me, I'm against. No woman do that to my platform. If I never watch the social media, that's the way.
Zimad, don't want to expose this heavy look.
But what the women are saying, oh, you women are young, no respect. In a code is in there, in a code, the whatever. Even Sue is a nice woman, she have a heart of giving, but she should give wisely.
The behavior, exactly, yeah, the behavior.
I'm told us about me, I'm a giver too. Oh, Mamma, you have both one and Mamma, you have roof for again, I'm 3.8 million. 3,871,000 at yesterday. Now, yeah, price you gonna have the aluminium. Every workmanship, everyone I have motor more. Anyway, when I donate, it's just 2 point plus my own money is 2.2 million. But I paid deposit yesterday of 3 million because every day we have 3 million paid no there. Oh, one man not that.
I will be showing them in your house.
I don't know the person from nowhere. You understand? But because of sympathy, I can not the person in Nigeria only live in Ajay poverty belief. I have to say I can put smell on that woman's face. My mommy, you not make me go crazy. You know what I like that. My mommy, they think when you money on my own, even when cash, even forget. Me, I don't want to pay school fees or get Tony. Without, I'm not saying it on live video. The lower is 42,000 naira. 42,000 naira they pay every time, which is kg or G. In my tell that I do. You got the social media away. Understand? He would not want to start narrating his family. I'm not booking here, but I only assist them paying school fees. I think you go a lot. At the end, when you correct her, she will lay so on you. Or you know, you must send no that friend. If me go have been, I may be small in size, but what I carry is more than me. That the whole world is respecting for that. I'll be a guy at your work. I will good again. Who swag and I'll be your. But they pay homage to him as the king. Oh, what the me here you do I go by your useless me on social media.
Yeah, that's the king talking.
Yeah, they social media for the years they have been afraid of me because nobody knows about me. Because of Abeyuwa, they know everything about me.
That's what I
Abeyuwa make them bring my father's picture out of social media. I know how much they have spent on looking for my father's picture, my father's house. Nobody knew. Through Abeyuwa, they know everything. Do you expect me to be happy with that? I know, Mama. You told me, but I'm not.
Yeah.
Not really happy with her for real. Don't hit her.
Okay.
Yeah, talk about you.
Okay.
Mine say she's good to go. She got a good heart, but she work on herself for real. I know. What talk about?
What's what talk about to my dear brother? My boy was going for a longer 1 hour, 2 minutes. My one. Your home, we all sorry, home when I ate it super similar. What is 7 o'clock?
No, I want to go more.
So, I'm not working on a do it. Most of the stuff when we tell here, but only because I had it. And then you go a quishi or behavior, name, no, any, nema. On my way, Ellie Lomanaco is like a mere woman on my will be boy. Aqua may be a money with yeah. That means also a making. So they all were funky, you know. Where social media and here competing. No, na masona, no, na masona, ain't no way boy, we born. No, we are here. Yeah. Oh, I am making running. And I'm very honest with you, I will not be happy. Let's say the truth, you won't be happy. Don't women know you won't be happy, then I will a little way, very honest.
Yeah.
So now we're only 14 there. And you help or no help. I here, I help. A spirit will come with doom or no come away, a kid on a help. I feel like they're a church in here. Oh, they come and pay this one. A spirit in a man leading here, I don't do it. I'm sorry. I have to be led.
Mama, you have to wait. You have to handle it.
Wherever a spirit no work one at all, you just give this one, give this one. Who do we say no one? Ne mama. Mama,
what's the way? You have to show me now. You have to show. You have to wait.
Okay, what's that?
All right, I'm only on was showing my way.
Obey us, me now. Now, let's hear another record. Bam. Of Abeyuwa direct entry.
Hello. You said sorry for yesterday.
I did sorry for yesterday. She's apologizing.
Just the make they laugh. Now so you talk sorry. I don't understand you.
Abeyuwa auntie. Who are you talking to? Abeyuwa auntie.
I don't want to allow.
Baby,
do.
I don't tire. I don't tire. No. Tire.
She don't tire. She's frustrated. She's sick. So I'm here. I'm going to pity her. Oh, with this man. You can really away. And I let go. No. One thing when I'm supposed to know, see. Now they will call me. They apologize. Now, if you don't create nuisance, don't misbehave.
It's just
she could say, I don't tire. I don't know what is wrong with me. Do every time. To the extent I have to be her.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. As one agree, as one table, I will block it.
She says she don't tire for life. She don't know what she want to do. She knows what she worry her. I just try to listen to her. Me don't mess up. Egbe we Jose ne. Jose don't tire.
Why not short? Una show me again away
So why do you insult? Why you insult me? You come and insult me. Like it, talo. I what to look with that. Understand?
Yeah, to start fracking.
Who else?
There is one day, maybe you have to work out with each other. That you think.
But not me. It is well.
I think but to go we change.
Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Thank you. Jennifer, sir? Oh, what's it?
Briefly, come on it.
Wait, so what's it? Jennifer, why you say Jennifer birthday? There's no word, a birthday, Jennifer. Oh, when I'm your but mommy didn't have your word. Off with blue.
Abeyuwa is going crazy. On my Abeyuwa.
Well, boy, I was here very small. I'm here.
Very sharp. No one even I don't know why permanent. Where I'm meeting with me. But when you know scholarship in the where come out? Why am I going to do with that of my
Acabou. Acabou.
I have been like 5 years in marriage, so I'm very happy.
Jennifer, That one not true.
They are proud of Jennifer. So why is it here now? Why is it here happy? Or is it? Oh, more money.
Now, Abeyuwa ye go near Bell. Be mamma de Gumari man. Yeah, soon for the place to wait.
That's another because of my very
Abeyuwa ye go near Bell for national peace to wait.
Everybody's happy.
That's a very smart guy.
I'm not going to because he is very tall.
Woman, they family is to mana. They are medical doctor. We so worry of India. Well, what thing yala? Their family is not good.
The my family winner.
Oh, you know, yala.
Family winner, my young. Well, we asking you, may I post a picture of your family member? May I swing you for 2 hours? But I know way. So, yes, yes, apart from Abeyuwa, may I swing anybody in social media? Don't concern wedding. No one may for me, but it was it's okay.
Yes, it's done. I must greet you. Thank you very much for the start.
I didn't. Mammy, wait, come in. What I cake back where? What way? Okay. Okay, because of the prince. When the prince, you know, I said, well, because anyway, you know. Dame only a go make go na problem ma go only budi. Because of where we support a Don Priest now, and here with the priest good, so definitely you know here did the priest, you here have the priest, which is all the arrow you wear, making now the priest. That's the code. This is where I thought when you live video. Where we live video. If you not cause on live video presenter should not be your problem. You do your own thing, your own low key. A live video presenter, let them be. A kid who are supporting on support. I will buy and go with Ubuna. Woman like Billy Stalin. Let me talk.
This is conference.
Must you accept everything? Must you accept? You don't get say of your own talk. God forbid. Whose kind of person you be? So here I'm where Ogboni we are accept. Here I'm where Asigidi who accept. What is our God? Oh, God have mercy.
Okay, fine. November 30 or 40.
Well, we hope. Okay. Now, believe it does.
Here, where dear church in Christ Embassy,
We got the story now. The story now. We got time. We got the story now.
Fine. Then what we mean now, send a queen, you have a queen girlfriend. And send a radio where we many things. We might be now, we are sending a kid to the school like the bed.
Joseph.
Morakuni may tell you to say, he may run with time to the income of Kuni West, very Marijore at there. And what we may be going to be sure that. Many persons in Europe come never come away Marijore watching. In general, the life is go Carlo. Or we can a queen out your wedding at Sammy. Yes, you must only send the afternoon many things to go on. You must only send the go.
Make you win WhatsApp. When you go away, it's just when you go away. You have a problem with you, you move away. I'm not the verse with you. I've let go. You understand?
Let's go.
Because from the beginning, you can't tell me. Just say, Saga, I can chest anything chestable. Anybody know? I don't party life. You don't know anything with Saga. You just say, Mudianya, where down you want a problem? We wait down you want you didn't listen. He just said, when are you going to be wise? Didn't we and why didn't we hear anyone?
Mwana le souhaite les passes pour aller voir. Wadang yo.
How are you?
Mais non, on joue bien.
Yeah, you're supposed to pay me. Because the company pay me every day. Okay. Okay. Let me back.
No water.
Maybe you. I'm not going to the break.
No problem. Take care.
Now, passenger the time also. I consider that and so passengers company where would they park people when they see the drive truck, don't they enter the car, the Ford, or rather the bus. But they get Ford, they get bus, they get about 18-seater rather 20-something-seater bus where they convey passengers for about 1 hour plus. Normally, West News done. You are very correct. She's not okay. That's the truth. They don't want to expose her. The family knows she's not okay. And she love like Mugu. If she love you, she gonna cheat on you. She go jealous. She don't want to see anybody around you. Even your sister says to call you. She said yourself no problem. If your own sister to call you, I bet when your sister will get problem. Abeyuwa. Yeah, I suppose you will. Whether they pick offense, don't pick offense, that's not my problem. But I will clear the hair to cleanse my name. Not for the nuisance, but for the sincere people. Those people that have sense, that have brain to think. Not for the social media life that are nuisance. You understand? Because I hold nobody explanation on how I live my life. I don't give a F with any fucking niggas out there. You feel me so? But the truth is that I will disgrace Abeyuwa and I will expose Abeyuwa to the whole world to know who she really are, including Mama poverty, Mama no money. What they call them, my ego. You understand? The two of them are my topic for 2025. Don't play. Hey, are you boy?